Welcome to StockInvest.us, a world of trading ideas. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions.
This report for ContextLogic was published on the 9th of June 2021 and is based on our automated algorithms found at StockInvest.us. Please remember to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell if you find our analysis useful. This way you will be first to know when we post a new video. In this report, you will get a technical analysis of ContextLogic followed by the latest analyst ratings and some of the latest headlines in the news. We will show you graphs and other information along the way. At the end of this video we will tell you if we believe if ContextLogic is a buy candidate or not and what we expect will happen the next few days. ContextLogic currently holds a -4.012 score from our algorithms. Our system have ranked ContextLogic sell candidates since the 9th of June 2021. Our last headline for ContextLogic reads, Volatile ride for ContextLogic Inc. stock price on Wednesday moving between $10.25 and $15. The ContextLogic Inc. stock price fell by -8.86% on the last day, Wednesday the 9th of June 2021, from $11.63 to $10.60. During the day the stock fluctuated 46.34% from a day low at $10.25 to a day high of $15. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 35.2% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 103 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 306 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.24 billion. ContextLogic trends. The stock lies the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A break up at the top trend line at $11.46 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to fall -47.97% during the next 3 months with a 90% probability hold a price between $3.50 and $5.96 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and a forecast. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The ContextLogic Inc. stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $10.79. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $8.97. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, June 8, 2021, and so far it has fallen -8.86%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Support, risk and stop for ContextLogic. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $9.79 and $8.18. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, ContextLogic Inc. finds support just below today's level at $9.79. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $8.18 and $8.11. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $4.75 between high and low, or 46.34%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 23.68%. Here are some important key values for ContextLogic. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. ContextLogic currently has a price-earning ratio of -7.88. This is an relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. On an upturn, ContextLogic Inc. meets first resistance at $11.47. On a downturn, ContextLogic finds first level of support at $9.79. The latest analyst ratings for ContextLogic. Over the last 30 days, this security got 1 buy, 0 sell, and 0 hold ratings. On May 13, 2021, Stifel Nicolaus gave hold, reduce rating for Wish. The price target was changed from $20 to $12. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for ContextLogic is buy. Our recommended stop loss. We hold in negative evaluation for this stock. No stop loss is set. Is ContextLogic stock a buy? ContextLogic Inc. holds several negative signals and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold, accumulate to a sell candidate. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.